YouTube, what's good? It's your man, Mr. Information in Hand. This is a quick video to help anyone that's having trouble replace the cigarette lighter fuse in their Lexus Ls430. I found it located on the passenger side, right next to your ankle. There's a fuse box that will show you a diagram, and it's right here. You want to replace the 15-watt fuse. Just get you a new one. I've pulled it right here. This is the blown one. I don't know if you can see that. It's not focusing, y'all. Anyway, this one is blown. There it is. It's blown. I have a replacement one here. Brand new. So what you want to do is just locate your passenger side. See, I'm on the, if you have a Lexus Ls430, you'll know that I'm on the passenger side. I'm coming down here on the right side, and you want to, there's a fuse box tucked away right here. What you want to do is you want to put your fuse right here. So get your brand new 15-watt fuse, insert it right here like that, and then just put your cover back on. And that's it. You have replaced your cigarette lighter. Should work. I'm not gonna go into all that because that's common sense, but that's how you replace your fuse in your Lexus Ls430. Again, to review, just go to your passenger side. That's the driver's side. You're gonna go to your passenger side. That's the door. You're gonna look way underneath here, and that's another fuse panel right there. Just pop this little part off here, and there's your fuse. You just want to replace this fuse right here. Replace that fuse, put your cap back on, click it, you're done. Alright, thank you for viewing this. Hope it helps you, and enjoy the rest of your day. Again, this is your man, Mr. Information in Hand. Have a good weekend.